Good morning, and it's not an ideal day. Probably it's all gloomy, raining a lot since this morning, but we are heading to 8012. This is a small suburban town around Port Phillip, and we are heading for the first ever installation of an awning. Now, we have been doing this all along. The commitment on part of GavaOverland stays that any car, any product, we will do it. So this is as well a case similar to that. We will be doing a sandwich installation on this van, and the product is a 270 awning. It's a contemporary brand, and we are going to make it happen. We are going to deliver another dream to the owner of this van. So stay tuned. We are quite hopeful that we get an opportunity, a window, to do this installation and bring you the real input from what's happening. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Thanks. So we have reached the address that was shared by the customer. We are well ahead of the time, and the good news for the moment is the rain has stopped. The climate doesn't change. It's still gloomy, cloudy. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon and no sun to be seen, but yeah, the rain is not there. We hope that we will be able to make it straight, fast and clean. Stay tuned. And if you happen to stop by even the side road, you should be able to open it.
Yeah.
So that's right.
Yeah, that makes sense.
No worries.
Thank you.
Let's start.
Thanks, guys.
Just knock when you need it.
Yep. Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we have separated the cover and the awning. This is the awning frame. Now we will be putting the bolts down here, and where the positioning of the bolts is, these brackets are to be mounted like this, and this part will be held onto the roof rack. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have finished mounting all the 3 brackets, and you will see 2 of them are closer to the rear end because this is a 270 awning, and the hinge will take the maximum load coming from the awning, so that needs better support. That's where the hinge will go, and this front one is for supporting the front part. We go for installation of the awning first. Now. we have punched the cover. The cover is ready to receive these bolts through it, and we have kept the hole a little bit smaller than the bolt diameter so that sticks on top of the bolt. And there would be some P washers as well, which will be as well locking the bolt. So it doesn't fall off while we put the awning back on the brackets. So now we will remove the nuts, which are just to mark the positions. The cover goes on and the final awning goes up there on the vehicle. So stay tuned, allow us to do this, and we show you the next steps. Thank you. So we have successfully installed this 270 awning, and just right in time before it rains. Thanks for staying tuned with us. Thanks for watching the video. Do watch our other content. Do subscribe our channel, and thanks for lots of your love. That matters the most to us. Thank you.